guys, it's Keira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful jewel tone smoky eye look. First, I'm going to be applying the Beauty Bento Shimmering Eyeshadow Trio in Glowing Guava and using the shade Smoky Sepia in her crease. Then, I'm going to be using Velvety Mauve in her outer crease for added definition. Then, I'm going to be taking the dark purple shade from the Beauty Bento Eyeshadow Trio Hella Azalea and just adding a little bit of darkness and definition to her lash line and outer crease. Then I'm going to be taking the Moon Crystal eyeshadow in shade Cosmic and applying it with my fingertips in her center lid. And I want this green to fade to a nice blue, so then I'm going to be taking Moon Crystal eyeshadow in Dark Matter and buffing it out towards the outer crease. To clean up under her eyes, I use a wipe to wipe off any fallout, and then I go in with Don't Settle Concealer in shade number 7, and I'm lightly applying it with a brush and then blending it out with a sponge. To add some color back into her face, I'm using Cheeky Stamp Blendable Blush in Spicy, and I'm using it just to give her a soft, bronzy finish. For her highlight, I'll be using Mochi Glow Highlighter in the shade Luna and applying it to the high points of her face and down the bridge of her nose. For her lip, I'll be using Cushy Vibe Lip Stain in the shade Silk Robe, and I'm going to be applying it with my fingertips to get a more diffused effect. I used a little bit of Mood Balm in the shade Twilight for a little bit of added shine. And that's the final look.